Everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to share my some of important knowledge regarding how to hide author, publish date and WordPress post. Okay, obviously whenever we publish any post in WordPress, it is showing this date and posted by admin. And one very important thing, that whatever author name is here, this is our login user. Okay, so this is very confidential. So whatever name is published here, this is obviously admin. Whenever you try to log in, and password will be something user defined, right? So it will be easy for hacker to get the admin obviously, then crack the password. So in some cases this is not enough for our post. Actually we don't need this one. So how to hide this one, I'll show you. Okay, this is very simple. Then just right click this one, okay, and see inspect element. Okay, go to inspect element, then click this one, so it will highlight only the selected this one. So select this much entry. Okay, this all is selected, then click here. So you need to select all this one to class to identify the proper class for CSS. Click here, so it will come to, when you click here, it will come to this one side. So we can see here class name is entry meta. Okay, this design is under class name entry meta. Okay, just copy this class, select this entry meta class, then go to your dashboard. Okay, then after I log into my dashboard, I will come back to you. Okay, I came back to my dashboard. Okay, so go to any plugin, installer plugin, or you need one plugin, CSS plugin. Any CSS plugin will work. Whatever CSS plugin, I have here already some CSS plugin. This one will work. Okay, this one already, any CSS plugin will work. Just go to this CSS editor option. Okay, then paste this one here. Paste this one. Sorry, paste this one here with new CSS class under new CSS class. Paste this one here. Okay, all right. Then obviously you need here one opening entry for CSS class. Put this dot because this is class. Then you can write here one, there is display none. Okay, display none, you can write here dis display none, display none. All right, display none. Okay, all right, then put here one semicolon, then this one, close this one. All right, so save this one. Then see your, after this is done, loading done, then go to your end of site. Okay, then refresh this one, either it will hide or no. See, you can see now it is hidden from here, right? Date, any editor name, right? so it is hide. So in summary, I would like to say that you need to go through this CSS class. You have to identify from inspect element what is the exact class for this post and author. Okay, then you have to copy this class name, then just give the element display none. Okay, so thank you for seeing this video. See you in another video. Hope this video helped you in a great way. Have a nice day.